Do you know the havoc that carbon accumulation wreaks on vehicles? Carbon deposits, or soot, along with other sticky and harmful substances, can build up in the ignition system, cylinders, valves, exhaust pipes, and more. This buildup can lead to issues such as decreased cylinder compression, reduced engine power, excessive fuel consumption, and an overall decline in your vehicle's performance. But there's a solution to this issue: the hydrogen carbon cleaning machine. This isn't your average run-of-the-mill device. This machine is for professional use, designed for continuous operation in auto workplaces. Its high gas production capacity allows it to perform real cleaning, suitable for everything from the smallest vehicles to the largest ones. The hydrogen carbon cleaning machine works by supplying hydrogen gas to the vehicle through the air filter. The vehicle then idles for 45 to 60 minutes, with the gas being pressed every 5 minutes to operate at 3,000 to 5,000 revolutions per minute. The results of this cleaning process are impressive. Fuel savings can reach up to 25%, with an average of 5 to 15% in very dirty engines. Engine performance increases, with a general 10% increase in power in diesel engines and up to a 30% increase in some measurements. It even reduces harmful exhaust emissions, reaching over 60% in gasoline engines and up to 80% in diesel engines. The machine itself is equipped with a complete digital control system, ensuring system safety and reliability. Its gas production can be adjusted up to a maximum of 5,000 liters per hour at 10 kilowatts power. For continuous use, a power of 5 kilowatts is recommended, producing 2,400 liters of hydrogen gas per hour. The hydrogen carbon cleaning machine is designed for use in all vehicles up to 15,000 cc. It features a digital timer, an LED indicator for easy use, and a special steel radiator cooling system for effective cooling. And with a water tank capacity of 10 liters, it's ready for heavy-duty use. In summary, the hydrogen carbon cleaning machine offers a professional, efficient solution to the problem of carbon accumulation in vehicles. It cleans thoroughly, improves engine performance, reduces harmful emissions, and saves fuel. All of these benefits come in a user-friendly design, equipped with the latest technology for easy and safe operation. With the hydrogen carbon cleaning machine, you can achieve economy in fuel and full power in the engine. It's time to say goodbye to carbon accumulation and hello to optimal vehicle performance.